An easy step-by-step guide to what is affiliate marketing and how you can get started. Affiliate marketing is a popular online marketing strategy that involves promoting a company's products or services through an affiliate network. As an affiliate marketer, you earn a commission for each sale or lead your promotional efforts to generate. Here is how affiliate marketing works. The first step to becoming an affiliate marketer is to join an affiliate program. Many companies have affiliate programs that you can join for free. Some popular affiliate networks include Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and Commission Junction. Second, choose a product or service to promote. Once you join an affiliate program, you'll have access to a variety of products or services that you can promote. Choose a product or service that aligns with your niche or audience. Third, create content as an affiliate marketer. Your job is to promote your chosen product or service to your audience. You can do this by creating content such as blog posts, social media posts, videos, and reviews. 4. Share your affiliate link. When you create content, be sure to include your affiliate link. This link tracks the sales or leads generated by your promotional efforts. 5. Earn a commission. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase or fills out a lead form, you earn a commission. The commission amount varies depending on the affiliate program and product or service you're promoting. Affiliate marketing is a great way to monetize your online presence and earn passive income. However, disclosing your affiliate relationship to your audience is important to maintain transparency and credibility. Additionally, you'll need to comply with the Federal Trade Commission's guidelines on affiliate marketing disclosure. Finally, affiliate marketing is an effective way for companies to reach new customers and for affiliate marketers to earn a commission for promoting products or services they believe in. If you want to learn more, look up my website, which is a beginner's guide to affiliate marketing. It will take you step by step through the process of how you can get started in affiliate marketing. https://www.easyaffiliatemarketing.sitearubix.com